bear goes va va va, tells a story near and far. With his voice we dream away, he loves us every day. Grandma llama goes va va, weaving blankets of tada. With her hug so warm and true, she fills our hearts anew. Daddy Jaguar goes va va va, running strong both near and far. Brave protector full of might, he keeps us safe at night. Mommy Capybara goes va va, singing bright la 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 la, gives us joy and calm so dear, shiny every year. Brother Monkey goes va va, jumping high with ha ha ha. Playful friend who's always near, he guards me with cheer. Sister Squirrel goes va va, hiding nuts both near and far. Draws with me and helps me too, together me and you. Baby Birdie goes va va va, singing sweet la 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 la. Tiny but with love so bright, a little ray of light. They're a family full of cheer, love and laughter always here. Singing, playing, joy we see, happy family. My family, with the animals full agree. My family, we sing in harmony.